Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to accept friend request in Candy Crush Saga. To accept friend request in Candy Crush Saga, open your Candy Crush Saga application and log into your account first. Once you're inside the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, tap on the envelope icon at the top left corner. This will show you your request section. Tap on Friendship tab, and then, in order to accept a friend request, tap the little blue tick mark right next to the player you'd like to accept as a friend. Right after you do that, they will be added in your friend list. If you are linked with Facebook, then you can log into your Facebook account and accept the friend request on Facebook itself and relaunch Candy Crush Saga, and the game will automatically sync your new friends. And that is how you can easily accept friend requests in Candy Crush Saga. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.